Okay.
OK 啊
你呢個咪呢個影相嚟嘅。
OK Welcome back. I'm your host. Welcome to Just Play It. I'm Rafi. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate the Aristo Cafe from Italy. So these are new things, quite new flavors. I don't know what is it, but it's kind of special things. So we have a very special mini coffee machine. Can be say like that. That you just put the water here, and then you're just gonna drop this thing inside, and then the coffee gonna come out. Just press a few buttons. All right. So I'm gonna demonstrate. So my friend here is trying to drink the In Love Aristo Cafe, as you can see, with the milk. Okay, I have my cameraman, I have the dealer here. So let me demonstrate this once. Come here. As you can see, just inside, you're gonna drop it like this. Oh, sorry. It's gonna be the milk first. So the tray gonna be here. And the milk first. Put the glass here. Just close it. Press once. The machine will run. There's some crackling sound, and then just for a few seconds, and then the magic will come out. It's not much, but when you mix the same thing, it tastes very nice. By the way, this thing is free, the machine is free. It's just you need to pay 1 ringgit for the maintenance every month. Okay, when the beeps come off, that means you can take off the thing. They will be automatically going down. Alright, so there's another one, the real coffee brew. Same thing again, press it, crackling sound, and it goes. Yeah, it's quite impossible that you're gonna make those leaves because this thing is fixed, but you can see how beautiful it is. And it's ready to drink. Okay, so it's here. You're gonna take it out. All the things were here. You just throw it and then put it back. The water, you're just gonna refill it here easily. Pop, simple thing. Plug in the cable, just like that. Anyway, thank you and stay tuned. I'll be back.